Welcome to another episode of Debunked by the Unveiling Dogma Project. In this episode, we analyze Jonah and the whale from Christianity and Judaism. The claim we are exploring today is that Jonah was swallowed by a great fish or whale, survived in its belly for 3 days and nights, and was later safely delivered onto dry land. Let's delve into our scientific, fact-based rebuttals that go beyond common sense and basic facts to provide a deep scientific analysis that even skeptics will find challenging to dismiss. Number 1. Advanced biological insights. Evidence. The anatomy of large marine creatures such as whales shows that their digestive systems are highly specialized for processing marine life, primarily small fish and plankton. The stomach environment is highly acidic and lacks oxygen. Furthermore, the physical space in a whale's stomach is insufficient and not designed to accommodate a human-sized object without causing severe harm or death to both the human and potentially the whale. Implication: the biological and physiological conditions inside a whale's stomach make it scientifically implausible for a human to survive after being swallowed. This challenges the literal interpretation of the Jonah story by highlighting natural limitations in marine biology. Number 2. Theoretical physics and models. Evidence. Considering the pressure and temperature inside the stomach of a whale, along with the absence of breathable air, the laws of physics contradict the possibility of survival in such an environment. The human body would be unable to withstand the gastric juices and lack of oxygen, leading to asphyxiation and corrosive damage. Implication: from a physics standpoint, the Jonah narrative is incompatible with our understanding of environmental conditions that can sustain human life, reinforcing the improbability of such an event occurring as described. Before we continue, I would like to ask you to like and share this video with as many people as you can. While you are at it, please hit the subscribe button and help us grow our community. Now let's get back to debunking the Jonah and the whale myth. Number 3. Cognitive science and neurology. Evidence. Extended isolation and extreme stress, such as what would occur inside a whale's stomach, can lead to severe psychological effects, including hallucinations and delusions. These are well-documented phenomena that occur under extreme stress and sensory deprivation. Implication: if, hypothetically, Jonah had been in an isolated, dark, stressful environment, it is possible that any reports of surviving such an ordeal might reflect altered states of perception rather than actual events. Number 4. Detailed genetic insights. Evidence. Genetic analysis shows no adaptation in humans that would allow survival in anaerobic, oxygen-free, and acidic conditions like those found inside a whale's digestive system. Survival in such extreme conditions would require specific physiological adaptations. Implication: this evidence further supports the scientific consensus that the Jonah and the whale story, when taken literally, does not align with established human genetic capabilities and limitations. Number 5. Archaeological discoveries. Evidence. Archaeological findings related to ancient maritime practices and the remains of marine creatures provide insights into the interactions between humans and sea life. To date, there have been no verified archaeological discoveries or credible historical records that substantiate the occurrence of a human surviving after being swallowed by a whale. Additionally, the fossil record and the study of ancient marine fauna do not support the existence of any sea creature capable of swallowing and subsequently keeping a human alive. Implication: the lack of archaeological evidence supporting the literal interpretation of the Jonah and the whale story further questions its historical accuracy. This absence of evidence in the physical record encourages a metaphorical or allegorical interpretation of such texts, considering them more as moral or spiritual lessons rather than historical accounts. Thank you for tuning in to Debunked by the Unveiling Dogma Project. Do you disagree? Agree? Have something to say? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.